Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to double space in Microsoft Word document. So firstly, open the Microsoft Word. Here are some text, for example, and here you can see every line has the single space. Now we will make double. So firstly, press Ctrl A and select all. Now click right button of your mouse and select the paragraph. Here is the line spacing. Select double and make OK. So you can see all the text on this document has the double space in line. And if you want to remove double space, so simple, select all by pressing Ctrl A, click right button of your mouse, select paragraph and select single space, and here is some another option like 1.5 lines space at least exactly and multiply. So multiply, here is the option 3, 4, 5 and at least you can select as a point and also you can select spacing before and after. And if you want to set double space as a default, so select here and select set as a default. Do you want to set the default alignment, indentation and spacing of the paragraph for this document? All documents based on the normal template. It will be used for all documents and this document only. This is the settings. So I'm talking you remove double space, select the single and make OK. So it will be like before. So friends, by this method you can quickly make the double space in all line of document. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this video, so please hit like button, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel.